Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I got the most beautiful Dior bag today, and I feel like I do have like a Lady Dior collection going. I know it's not that big, but for me it's a big deal because every single one I spent a lot of time saving up for, and I have 4 of them right now, but this one is going to be a very, very special one. It's actually my very first Lady D-Joy. Okay, so here she is. This one I got at the Miami Design District. Shaw was my SA and she was absolutely fabulous. I went in just looking for a bag and I was like, no, I don't want anything, I'm just looking, because I was looking at a white Lady Dior mini bag. That's kind of what I really wanted, but then I started trying on the bags, and when I saw this one that I got, I gasped. Like when I looked in the mirror of me holding it, I was like, you know, like it was the one. I just knew. So let's go ahead and get into the beautiful unboxing. So here we have the classic Dior packaging with the gold star, which I love that they're doing on all the Dior bags now. And I just feel like unboxing Dior is just an experience in itself. Okay, so I'm just quiet because I'm just like taking in this moment as well. They did change their boxing, so now it has like a tab. My other boxes kind of lift up at the top, so that's a new update. Go ahead and flip that back for the display. All right, are you guys ready for the bag reveal? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this beauty again. Here she is, the most beautiful D-Joy that I have ever seen in my life. The charms are so beautiful. I mean, wow. There she is in the box. I just wanted to share my unboxing with you because I do talk a lot about my luxury items, and again, like I feel like every single one is so special. I'm so grateful that you know, my life provides me with these amazing things. This does also come with straps, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So there's one long strap, which I'll try on in a second. And then there's also the short strap, so you can wear it as like a shoulder bag as well. I like that these kind of tuck in. And I guess an interesting thing about the D-Joy is that the handles, like the top handles, go all the way down, because with a Lady Dior bag, they only go halfway. That's kind of one of the ways you can tell it's an authentic bag. Obviously this bag is authentic, but the handles go all the way down, which does make it more comfortable if you're wearing it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. Okay, so hopefully I'm not super dark and my head isn't chopped off. I'm having a lot of issues with my original YouTube camera, so I'm using my phone, I'm using the front-facing camera, and I literally cannot see myself. So we'll find out how this is, but hopefully you can see the bag and it's aligned properly. So here it is, where like worn as a top handle. I think I love that. My wrist actually does fit through, which I like because I think my micro Lady Dior bag, my hand does not fit through. So then as the shoulder strap, this is the length, and you can see how it looks on the shoulder. And then the crossbody strap, I do like how it does have like hooks on the inside corners as well for the straps to go on, because again, with the Lady Dior bags, you put the straps on these hooks instead. But this one does have like the outer hook areas, which I do appreciate, especially for this style of bag. All right, so here is the crossbody style. I do like to be hands-free, but I do feel like with this kind of luxury bag, I'm going to be using it mostly with the top handle. I might tuck in like the shoulder strap and then pull out the shoulder strap if I do need to be hands-free at an event, but I probably won't be using this one because it just looks too day-to-day, and I feel like that is not what a bag this special is all about. Since I'm using my phone to record, obviously I can't show you guys, but the iPhone Pro, not the Max, but I have the iPhone 14 Pro and it does fit in here. So I feel like that was something that was important to me, was to make sure that the phone fits in here and it fits like a glove, and there's also room for like wallet and lip gloss as well, like the essentials. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. I'll probably be doing a Lady Dior collection video soon just to show off the different styles and sizes and how I feel about each bag and which ones I use the most, because I definitely do have a favorite. But hopefully this video was helpful, and if you want more luxury videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.